eWeLink Cube one-click installation on Mac. Prerequisites. Install eWeLink Cube with the one-click installer. Go to the Cube OS release page and download one-click installer for Mac. Find the installer in Downloads or your chosen folder. Open the package and follow the on-screen steps. Let the installer check VirtualBox. The installer checks whether VirtualBox is available on your Mac. If VirtualBox is not installed, follow the on-screen steps to install it first. Set virtual machine resources. Choose the virtual machine name, memory, and CPU cores. Choose an active network adapter on your Mac. Use a bridged adapter so Cube OS can join your local network. If you use a Zigbee dongle, select the USB device from the list. If you do not need Zigbee now, skip this step. Start the installation. The installer creates the Cube OS virtual machine and starts the setup automatically. Wait until the installation completes. Wait for Cube OS to start. After installation, Cube OS starts automatically. When boot completes, note the Cube OS IP address shown on screen. Open the Cube OS web console. Congratulations! Now you can start adding and managing your devices locally in Cube OS.